In this Apptivo CRM review, I'll share my experience. Find links to Apptivo and related resources in the description below. Apptivo CRM is a flexible, affordable platform designed for small to medium businesses. It offers a complete solution for managing sales, customer relationships, and other key operations. Its modular design lets you choose the tools you need, making it highly customizable. A standout feature is Apptivo's lead and opportunity management. The intuitive interface tracks leads through your sales pipeline. Customize sales stages, assign leads, and automate workflows for timely follow-ups. This adapts the platform to your sales process. Apptivo also includes contact and account management tools, providing a central database for customer information, interaction history, and documents. Segment contacts and create detailed customer profiles for personalized service and stronger relationships. Email integration with Gmail and Outlook allows seamless communication directly within the CRM. Automation extends beyond sales, automating tasks like follow-ups, notifications, and data entry. Apptivo also supports marketing automation, allowing email campaigns, performance tracking, and customer segmentation for targeted outreach. Apptivo's unique strength is its modular approach, including apps for project management, invoicing, field service, and more. It's an all-in-one solution for managing multiple business aspects from a single platform. Robust analytics and reporting provide insights into sales, team productivity, and customer trends for informed decision-making. While feature-rich, Apptivo's interface can initially feel overwhelming. However, excellent support and a user-friendly mobile app make it easy to get started and stay productive. Apptivo CRM is a fantastic choice for businesses needing an affordable, modular solution. Its flexibility, automation, and integrations make it valuable for growing teams. Check the links below to explore Apptivo CRM and see if it aligns with your goals. This review should help you decide if Apptivo is the right CRM for your business.